Hello friends, today I am going to explain water supply booster pump calculation based on the using water plumbing fixtures, loading units, and I am using universal plumbing code, this one. So I have one ground floor is there, ground floor, and one service block. It's called guard room and pantry. Small store is there, and this villa I have 3 bedrooms is there, and one maid room, and kitchen also there. So each bedroom we have one WC, one wash machine, one shower. Like that we need to calculate 3 bedrooms and place one maid room also. So first we need to review this universal plumbing code. In any plumbing code like international plumbing code, and different country they have different plumbing codes is there. So we need to find how much plumbing based on the fixtures, how much values is there. Example, bathtub 1.4 and wash basin 1. So like that we need to review everything in plumbing course. Then we need to make one separate table first. Example, water closet I have 2.5, wash basin 1, shower 1.4, kitchen sinks 1.5, and cloth washer, and this one 3, dishwasher 1.5, taps 1. Then we need to calculate this all fixtures based on the rooms, how many quantities is there. We need to calculate everything. Then we need to make one Excel. Then after the see in this villa we have each bathroom, one WC, one washroom, like one shower and bathtub. Okay, so we need to calculate based on the all bedrooms and other rooms also. We need to first calculate these all things. Then after that we need to open one Excel. In this Excel we need to maintain proper calculations. Example, now I got it in 41 total 41 WSF. In this WSF we need to open, there is a linear interpolation calculation is there. In this one we need to enter total how much we got it. I got it total 41.50. We'll go here 41.50. This is a present calculation. Present we got this value. Then we need to enter x1 x3 value also. X1 x3 value how we will enter. Again we need to go in plumbing code. We got in 41 means 41 above means, then we need to enter 40. This is the value, and next, and 45 also we need to take. This one 40 and x3 45. Okay, and y1 how much. Again we need to go code 95. Again we need to see in 45 102. Again I will explain you. This one we got in 41 means present value. Then above one we need to get 40, and next y1 95, and x2 45, and y2 103. Then after that you got now this value. Then you need to go, this is a website adlisteners.com. so then this one you will get in proper calculation. So 97.1 I got it in, this is a value. Then we need to open converter. Later